Let's cook the tangerine and see what happens. So we're going to take 8 tangerines. Remove the peels. Next, we'll cut them in half lengthwise. In the skillet, add 80 grams of sugar, along with 2 tablespoons of water. Stir until the sugar melts. When it reaches this texture, add a tablespoon of butter and let it caramelize. At this point, we'll add the tangerines cut side down. Wait to cook for just 1 minute. Then in a bowl, we're going to add 1 egg, 100 grams of sugar, and beat until combined. Next, add 80 milliliters of sunflower oil and a tablespoon of vanilla. Stir. Now, add 120 milliliters of milk. At this point, sift 150 grams of wheat flour with a tablespoon of baking powder. Mix until you reach a homogeneous texture. Perfect. We go back to the skillet and add the batter, distributing it over the tangerines. Cover and let cook for about 25 minutes. After this time, using a plate, flip the batter. Adjust it in the pan, and let it finish cooking for another 5 minutes. The result is simply beautiful and of course very tasty. Have you ever seen a tangerine cake like this before? Let us know in the comments. Otherwise, we hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give us a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our daily recipes. We'll see you tomorrow. Until then.